Hi, I'm Brad Neatfelt, founder of Monstrous Media Group. Let's talk about AI website builders. Over the last year, I've heard the same question over and over again. Brad, if AI can build a website in a few minutes, why would I hire a web development company? It's a fair question. The truth is, AI has changed website development forever. At Monstrous Media Group, we use AI every day. We embrace it, we leverage it, we build systems around it. But here's what most business owners discover after trying to build their own website with AI. Building a website isn't the hard part. Building a website that generates business is. Most AI website builders can create pages. They can generate content. They can suggest layouts. They can even build entire websites in minutes. That's impressive. But a website isn't a business strategy. A website isn't a marketing plan. A website isn't a conversion system. And a website doesn't automatically generate leads. What typically happens is a business owner decides they're going to save money. They sign up for an AI website builder. They spend a weekend building their site, then another weekend tweaking it, then another weekend fixing things they don't like. Then they realize they need better content, then they realize they need SEO, then they realize they need forms, tracking, analytics, integrations, security, backups, hosting, optimization, mobile responsiveness, speed improvements, and conversion tracking. Before long, they've invested dozens of hours trying to become a web developer. The problem is that most business owners aren't paid to build websites. They're paid to run their business. Time is money. Every hour spent wrestling with a website is an hour not spent serving customers, generating revenue, managing employees, or growing the company. Now let's talk about what AI website builders do well. They're great for prototypes. They're great for testing ideas. They're great for launching simple projects. They're great for helping experienced developers move faster. We use AI ourselves because it helps us work more efficiently. But here's where businesses get into trouble. AI doesn't know your market. AI doesn't understand your customers. AI doesn't understand your sales process. AI doesn't understand your competitive landscape. AI doesn't understand your business goals. And AI doesn't know how to create a complete digital growth strategy. That's where expertise matters. When a client works with Monstrous Media Group, they're not hiring someone to build pages. They're gaining a strategic partner. A team that understands websites, branding, SEO, AI SEO, answer engine optimization, generative engine optimization, conversion optimization, content strategy, hosting, security, performance, analytics, and digital growth. We don't simply launch websites. We build business assets. Every page has a purpose. Every call to action has a purpose. Every design decision has a purpose. Every piece of content supports visibility and lead generation. And unlike an AI website builder, we're here after launch. We become an extension of your business. We help you grow. We help you adapt. We help you stay ahead of changes in search, AI, and customer behavior. That's why so many businesses choose our MonsterWP platform. Instead of spending countless hours trying to build and maintain a website themselves, they get a professional website, hosting, maintenance, updates, security, support, and an entire team behind them. The result is simple: less stress, better performance, more leads, more growth, and more time to focus on running your business. AI is an incredible tool, but tools don't replace expertise. The smartest business owners aren't asking whether AI can build a website. They're asking who can help them build a website that actually grows their business. If you're ready to stop fighting with website builders and start focusing on growth, visit our MonsterWP platform and learn how we can help. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.